Hello, fabulous people. It is Ms. Stover, and I am here to talk to you about your library assignment for today. As we celebrate Read Across America Week, let's start by clicking on our assignment. From here, gloriousness opens up, and we have a digital library. You have 12 books to select two of. So from the 12 books, you are going to select the two that you would most like to listen to today. They all kind of have a special theme about them. Maybe as you look at the covers and see the titles and see the main characters, you'll understand how these books were chosen. So your first task is to choose two of the picture books. And when you click on the cover of the picture book, it's going to open to a video. You'll view two of the book videos, and as you are viewing the videos, I want you to think about what the story is about, how you feel about this, what is your opinion of it, and after you're finished viewing both of those videos, you are going to make a Flipgrid video. And in the Flipgrid video, you're going to share the story that you liked and enjoyed the most. Which one of the two is your favorite? Now, if you're watching this video, you can pause it at any time, complete the assignments, and then watch the next part when you're ready for the next part of the assignment. You also have all of our audio that you can listen to as you're working as well. So I want everybody to be confident in the assignment and what we're doing today. When you're ready to make your Flipgrid video, you'll scroll down and you'll see this rectangle. If too much time has gone by and you haven't clicked it, it may ask you to refresh your window. I'll go ahead and click it, or I'll refresh and then click this button, and it opens Flipgrid in a new tab. You're going to add to the responses that are already here by clicking the blue Add Response button. So we're just going to use my green screen camera so that I can show you how to make your video. Let's start with a backdrop. So choosing a backdrop, since especially now I just have my green screen, I think I'm going to go, you can use the arrows on the side to choose one that you like or one that goes with your topic. I am going to select these fresh stickies, and that's going to get added to my background. I'm also going to go to the Effects tab, and in the Effects tab, I'm going to add a board, and on this board, I can make the board wider or I can make it smaller. So I think I'll use this much of the board. I will click this part to go back to the other effects menus. I'm going to go to GIF, and I am going to search for book. And I'm going to look for a picture that I can add. So maybe I'll add, oh, that's kind of cool. And when you hover over it, it shows you what the book does. So I like this one. I'm going to go ahead and add this up here to my board. I'm also going to go to the effects menu, and I'm going to add a photo that I've taken. Now, you don't have to do this, but you can take a screenshot from the digital library, and then you can add it to your video. I think I'd also like to have a heart, or, when people do reviews, they often decide how many stars it has earned. So let's go to our stickers, and let's see if we can find a star sticker. Oh, this one is perfect. So I'm going to move it, and I'm going to resize it. I'm going to put my stars up here, and let's see. This book, usually things like for Yelp or for Amazon reviews, Goodreads, we decide how good it is based on how many stars we give it out of 5. I'll use this duplicator in the corner to keep adding stars because this to me was an awesome book. So I'm going to say that this is 5 out of 5 stars. And it helps me to line them up. I can kind of move things around. And maybe I'll even, one last effect. I am going to go to GIF and Giphy, and I'm going to add a heart. So I just want to get a nice heart to show that I really liked this book. Oh, this is fun. So I'll add this in over here. Maybe I'll have it wrap around the book, and that looks pretty cool. So now I'm ready to make my video. If there's anything you want to change, you can always go back. Maybe I don't really like how my backdrop looks now. Maybe I want to choose something else. And so you can just experiment and see which backdrop and board that you like. I kind of like that backdrop, which makes me now want to go back and see if I use less of my board. I am extra. That's kind of funny. So I can just use I am. Maybe I'm going to use this as a place to put in my names. So I can use a text box. I'll use the superpower because I like the colors that go with that. You can change the colors too. I am Ms. Stover. And when you're done typing, you can click off of it and then you can move it around. You can even resize it, or you could change the colors. So maybe I want the backdrop of it to kind of work better with the colors that are there. Maybe I'll use my blue like this, and then I'll make it a little bit smaller so it can fit right there. So I'm all set up with my effects, and you can just close that out now. And when you're ready, then you're going to press the record button. So let me move my window a little bit so that you can see. Not what I wanted to do. Let's try this. Okay, there we go. Now you can see the menu where I was pulling from. There's effects, here's the backdrop, and this is the white circle that you need to press to hit record. So remember, when you make your video, you're going to say what the story was about. You're going to give your review of the story and tell if you liked it or not. You can add in how many stars you've given it, and you also can recommend it to people and think about who might enjoy this story. Here's what you don't want to do. You don't want to give away the ending because that's a spoiler. So no spoiler alerts. Let's see how I do. I also have a timer right up here that lets me know how much time I have in my video. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Here's my countdown. Hi everyone, it's Ms. Stover, and I'm coming to you with a book review for Read Across America Week. Today, I read The Bad Seed, and I give this book 5 stars. It is fantastic, and I think you'll love it too. Here's what it's about. The Bad Seed is, well, you can see from the cover, this seed is someone that's really, really mean. And nobody likes him in the beginning of the story. He kind of has a really bad attitude about life. And in this story, he goes on this journey, and as the reader, we learn about what happened to him that kind of made him into this bad seed. It makes you really feel sorry for the things that he has experienced in life. I don't want to give away the ending, but it has a happy ending. He has friends at the end, and he's not so bad of a bad seed anymore. He kind of turns things around. I think that you'll not only love this story, but you'll also love the illustrations. So leave a comment and let me know what you read, and if you also read this book, let me know why you liked this. I'm going to go ahead and click that circle again to stop my video. You can see I talked a lot and I only have 14 seconds left. Now, let's say that you know already that you messed up and you don't like it. Then over here, you have a button that says retake. Let's say that you click the next button.
Hi everyone, it's Miss Stover.
And let's say that you decide as you're watching it, like, oh my gosh, I don't like how I sound in this one. Then what you can do is you'll notice that I can click on the clip and in the bottom corner that says delete. Now, I liked mine. I'm not going to press delete. What you don't want to do is click the X that's in the corner. That is going to cancel your entire video. You will lose all of the effects and the backdrop that you have set up. So you don't want to do that. You want to delete your clip. When you delete your clip, it keeps all of your effects. When you're good to go, go ahead and click confirm. If you have trouble,
it's Miss Stover.
If you have trouble, this button up here is a download button. Download means it takes your video and saves it to your computer. And this is handy because sometimes, for whatever reason, we might get stuck in our Flipgrid video and it doesn't process correctly. Click the download video, or if it tells you it's having difficulty processing, it gives you the option to download. And you'll want to do that because in your first menu, and I'll show it to you at the end, there is a place where you can upload it. But I'm going to add a little bit of music. There's different categories. The play button will let you hear what it sounds like, and you can see if that's the right vibe. So check out which ones you like. Click the plus sign when you have one that you like.
Hi everyone, it's
And then
Miss
you want to
Stover.
click
I'm
where
coming
it says
to you
add
with a
music
book review
because
from
you want to
the
pay
Retakes
attention
book.
to this volume.
Today, I
Have
read
it be
The
very
Bad Seed.
quiet. And if you decide I don't like it,
Hi
then you
everyone,
can
it's Miss
change it
Stover.
again by
I'm
clicking
coming to
that
you
add
with a
music.
book review from- Hi everyone, it's Miss Stover.
I like that one, so now I'm going to hit my next button. In my caption, I'll write the title, The Bad Seed. And I will change my name because I'm doing this in my test student account. You can edit the cover by choosing a different part of the video. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at all of the faces that I am making. Or you can select, you can take a selfie. Hey. Or you can upload a photo, or you can use a name tag. So I'm going to use a name tag. And if I keep clicking on it, it changes what the name tag looks like in that same style. So I like that one. I'm going to click confirm and post to topic. So there is a second video. I'll probably delete the other one, but I'll click go to topic, and now you can see that I have 2 videos that are here. So let's go back over, and I'll turn my other camera on. Hello. So now you can see me back here. We have watched 2 of the videos from our digital library. We've made our Flipgrid video, and now what you're going to do is go back to your tab with your Flipgrid, and you are going to make a reply to one of those videos. So there's 2 videos here. If you click on my first video that I made, you'll see that I have created a reply here. And all you'll do is click this blue add video comment, and that's how you too can leave comments on other classmates' videos that are on this Flipgrid topic. That's all for me today. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it helped you complete your library assignment. Happy Read Across America Week. I will see you again soon.